What's up, guys? Ryan here. I wanted to just show an example of somebody who's got bad credit or at least not good credit scores, but a real quick, simple, easy way for them to fix that. If you come down here to their credit card usage, now you know 0 to 9% you get points in your credit profile, from 10 to 29% is neutral territory, 30% utilization and higher, you're losing points, and it could be a lot of points. This is where I like to teach people how to pay their credit cards. The first thing you want to look at is what card has the highest percentage utilization. This card's got 102, this card's got 100. So you look at these two and you say, well, wait a minute. This card is 100% utilization at $1,300. This card's only at $200. So the first thing you want to look at is say, what's the highest utilization percentage? Then look and say, okay, what is the actual dollar amount? If it's only going to cost me $200 to pay this card off, I wouldn't do that first, because it's going to cost me a lot less money. Now, if you have the $1,300, you can pay this card off first and make sure to only use this card and then pay off these other two cards after the fact. But to get started, the most important thing to always do is first look and say, what's the percentage utilization? And then what's the dollar amount? Always go with the highest utilization with the lowest dollar amount, because that will boost your score faster or more quickly. If you only had $200 and you apply it to this account right here, it's not going to move the needle a whole lot. You take your $200 and apply it to this right here, wait till you see how much that score changes. If you want to learn more, if you want to see more in depth about how I do this, and there's a third component that I share in my 700 credit class, if you want to learn that, join the classroom. Otherwise, just keep following me. Have an awesome day, guys.